working! The plan's actually working!
Over here, you oversized can opener!
No!
Call off your goons or I'll smash you into next week.
I'm busy next week. I mean, I could reschedule, but I...
Pathetic. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
It's happening. Shadow has joined Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here. Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one. Oh, I just missed you. Allow me to... okay, just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
Hey, we worked all day on that!
Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind. And for that, you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!